What is tea tree oil? Tea tree oil, also known as melaleuca oil, is an essential oil extracted from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia tree, native to southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales, Australia. It's a clear to pale yellow liquid with a strong, camphoraceous odor. Origin of tea tree oil. The fascinating journey of tea tree oil begins with the Aboriginal Australians, who were the first to utilize its diverse properties. They crushed the leaves and inhaled the vapors for respiratory ailments, applied the crushed leaves to wounds, and used infusions for sore throats and skin conditions. This traditional knowledge laid the foundation for modern usage. Extraction of tea tree oil. Today, tea tree oil is commercially extracted primarily through steam distillation. The process involves steaming the leaves, capturing the vapor and oil droplets, and then separating the oil from the water. This method ensures high quality and consistent concentration of the oil's active compounds. Key properties of tea tree oil. The power of tea tree oil lies in its unique chemical composition. Its main component, terpenin 4-ol, boasts remarkable antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties contribute to the broad range of uses we enjoy today. Let's talk about benefits of tea tree oil. First benefit of tea tree oil is that it treats acne. Tea tree oil is a natural remedy for acne. Its antimicrobial properties help combat bacteria that contributes to breakouts, and its anti-inflammatory effects can reduce redness and swelling. Studies have shown that it can be as effective as benzoyl peroxide, a common acne medication, but with less irritation. Second benefit. Tea tree oil is dandruff destroyer. Tea tree oil isn't just for your skin, it can work wonders for your hair too. Its antifungal power combats the dandruff-causing fungus, leaving your scalp flake-free and itch-free. Besides this, it also promotes hair growth and adds shine in hair. Third benefit. Tea tree oil treats eczema. The anti-inflammatory properties soothe redness and irritation associated with eczema, helping manage dryness and promote healing. Next benefit. Tea tree oil is moisturizer booster. Adding a few drops of tea tree oil to your moisturizer gives it a germ-fighting and anti-inflammatory boost, ideal for oily or acne-prone skin. Next benefit. Tea tree oil is fungal foe. Athletes' foot and nail fungus tremble. Tea tree oil's antifungal prowess combats these common foot woes, keeping your feet happy and healthy. Next benefit of tea tree oil is that it is minor wound warrior. Diluted tea tree oil cleans and disinfects cuts, scrapes, and insect bites, preventing infection and promoting healing. Next benefit. Tea tree oil is headache hero. Massage diluted tea tree oil onto your temples and forehead for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can be a natural, soothing option for tension headaches. Next benefit. Tea tree oil is also a natural deodorant. The antibacterial properties help deodorize naturally without harsh chemicals. Mix a few drops with water or a carrier oil and apply to armpits. Test for sensitivity first. Let's talk about some frequently asked questions about tea tree oil. First question. Is tea tree oil safe? Answer. Generally, yes, when used properly. However, it's important to remember, always dilute tea tree oil before applying to your skin. A few drops in a carrier oil is recommended. Patch test on a small area first to check for any allergic reactions. Avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. Don't ingest tea tree oil, it can be toxic. Second question. Are there any side effects of using tea tree oil? Answer. While generally safe, potential side effects can include skin irritation, if not diluted or used too frequently, allergic reactions, rare, but patch testing is crucial, hormonal imbalances, in rare cases, with long-term use on large areas. Third question. Can tea tree oil be applied directly to the skin? Answer. Great question. While tea tree oil is powerful, it's important to dilute it before applying it to the skin. Mix 1-2 drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil to avoid irritation. Fourth question. Is tea tree oil safe for sensitive skin? Answer. Yes. Tea tree oil can be used on sensitive skin, but but it's crucial to patch test first. If any irritation occurs, dilute it further or avoid using it. Always consult with a dermatologist if you have concerns about your skin type. Fifth question. How do I use tea tree oil for acne? Answer. Tea tree oil is fantastic for acne. Create a spot treatment by mixing 1 to 2 drops with a carrier oil and applying it directly to blemishes. You can also make a face mask by combining it with clay or aloe vera gel. Sixth question. Can tea tree oil be used for hair care? Answer. Absolutely. Tea tree oil can address various hair issues. Add a few drops to your shampoo to combat dandruff, or mix it with a carrier oil for a scalp massage to promote hair growth. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural health tips.